Hello friends, in this video tutorial let us see some of the options that we get while exporting SSRS report to PDF. Okay, so for this let us go to report server URL. Now we have deployed some of the reports to our report server URL. So let us go to SSRS project. Now this corresponds to this particular SSRS project, and we have deployed many reports from this folder into our report server URL. So these are the reports that are already deployed. So let us click on one of the reports. So we can see over here that this is a stepped report, right? And in which we can get data for different countries based on the region, right? So this is the step report. So now what if we export this report into PDF? Okay, let us say this is the state, that is Asia is expanded, and inside Asia India and Japan are expanded. So we are able to see detailed data of Japan and India, and rest of the things are not expanded. Okay, what if we export this particular, that is report, to PDF in this particular state? Okay, so let us go to PDF. So now we are able to get exactly the same state, that is inside Asia India and Japan related records are expanded and rest all things are collapsed. Okay, so it means that in whichever state we are for a expand collapsible report, okay, drill down report, in whichever state we are, the same state we will get when we export it to PDF, correct? Okay, so this is the same state that we get. Okay, now what if the user has requirement that when the report is exported to PDF, then all the data should be by default expanded? Okay, what is right now nothing is expanded, right? And if we export this to PDF, then it will come as it is, right? Nothing is expanded, right? So what if the user has requirement that everything should be expanded? Okay, when the user clicks, goes and exports this thing to PDF. So for this, let us go to SSDT. Now this is the report, right? This is the report which we were looking at, correct? Okay, so now let us go now to details, right? So we want details section to remain expanded when we export the PDF, export this report to PDF. So let us go to group properties. Right now for visibility we are always hiding, and based on the toggle, that is once the user clicks on the plus sign, at that time only we are expanding based on country one, right? So let us change this behavior. Right now it is always hidden. So what we do, we go to show or hide based on expression. Let us write the expression. Okay, so let us make it conditional. Expand or collapse behavior, let us make it conditional, right? So let us go to built-in fields. If render.format.name is equal to PDF, so what we are saying is, if we are rendering the report to PDF, then whatever is the expand or collapse state, make it reverse of it. False meaning make it reverse of it. Okay, so if it is collapse, make it false of it, that is make it expanded. If it is expanded, make it false of it, that is make it collapse, or else it is true. Okay, so now go over here, do the same thing for this also, correct? So if built-in fields render.name equal to PDF, then false, else true, correct? Okay, let us re-verify whether we have provided the same thing over here. Okay, so now let us save everything. Let us go to Solution Explorer. Let us deploy this report. So report is deployed. Let us go back. Okay, so this is the report. Now by default everything is collapsed. So if we want everything to be expanded, do not expand anything, let it remain collapsed, and then go and export to PDF. Okay, so now all the sections, that is all regions and all countries, have come as expanded. Okay, and let's say if you do not want Asia to come as expanded, If you want Asia to remain collapsed in the PDF, then expand it. Then reverse behavior will be shown. That is, if you now go and export it to PDF, everything is expanded except Asia, right? Asia which was expanded is now collapsed. Okay, so this is the way in which we can achieve our desired behavior. So what is our desired behavior? We want everything into PDF to come as expanded, right? So right now everything is collapsed, correct? So now if you go and having that expressions in place, as we have expressions at both the levels of detail as well as the first level group, okay, that is country 1 level group, right? As we have expressions defined at both these levels, detail as well as the country 1 level group. So now if everything is collapsed, then if you go and export it to PDF, everything should come as expanded, right? This is how it is, right? So everything, all sections have come as expanded. So I hope friends this video tutorial is useful to you. Thank you.